river, know ye not that smiling river, whose gentle flood by cliff and wood with wildering sound goes winding ever, often yet with feeling strong. On that dear stream my memory ponders, and still I prize its murmuring song, for by my childhood's home it wanders. Know ye not that lovely river, know ye not that smiling river, whose gentle flood by cliff and wood, there's music in each wind that blows within our native valley breathing. There's beauty in each flower that grows around our native woodlands reeling. The memory of our brightest joys is dearer than the richest toys the present vainly shed around us. Know ye not that lovely river, know ye not that smiling river, whose gentle flood by cliff and wood? Oh sister, when mid doubts and fears that haunt life's onward journey ever, I turn to those departed years and that beloved and lovely river. With sinking mind and bosom riven, and heart with lonely anguish aching, it needs my long-taught hope in heaven to keep that weary heart from breaking. Know ye not that lovely river, know ye not that smiling river, whose gentle flood